Hey everyone, welcome to Speak Like a Native. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Let's get into it.
Today, we're cracking the code on one of the most important and most misunderstood American social concepts, being chill.
Oh, I know this one. It means relaxed, calm, right?
Hey, yes, but also no. That's the dictionary definition. The cultural meaning is way more powerful. Being perceived as chill can determine if you make friends easily, if people want to work with you, even if a date goes well. It's a social superpower.
Whoa. So it's not just about personality?
Not at all. It's a set of behaviors, reactions, and especially the words you choose. And in about 2 minutes, Leo, you're going to make the exact mistake that makes 90% of learners sound accidentally rude when they're trying to be nice.
Aye, great. I'm already nervous.
Don't be. That's the whole point of today. We're going to make you chill about learning how to be chill. Let's start with the king of all chill phrases. No big deal. Leo, imagine I just bumped into you at a coffee shop and you spilled a little of your drink.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Perfect. Now, what do I, as a chill American, say to make you feel better?
It's okay.
Good. That works. But it's okay is a bit basic. It's neutral. No big deal is the chill upgrade. It actively downplays the problem. Say it with me.
No big deal.
Good. Notice the tone. It's light, it's breezy, no big deal. Not no, big deal. That sounds like you're mad. The magic is in the delivery. It says this event is so small, it doesn't even register on my scale of problems. Another one is all good.
All good.
Exactly. Or even shorter, just good, with a smile. Now, here's where learners get tripped up. They learn no problem as a synonym. And it can be, but the context is everything. If someone says thank you and you say no problem, you're golden. It's perfect. But if someone apologizes to you, like sorry I'm late, and you say no problem with the wrong tone,
What happens?
it can sound dismissive. It can sound like, yeah, it was a problem, but I'm choosing to overlook it. Instead, a chill person would say, you're fine, or don't worry about it, or all good, man. The focus is on making the other person feel relaxed.
Oh, so no problem is best for responding to thanks. And you're fine or no big deal is better for responding to apologies?
Bingo, you're a natural. Let's paint a real picture. You're at a friend's casual barbecue. You go to put your plate down and accidentally knock over their soda can. It fizzes everywhere.
Okay, scene set. I'm mortified. I say, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Let me clean that up.
And your chill American friend, wiping it up with a napkin, says,
You're fine. It's just soda. No big deal at all. Grab another one from the cooler.
perfect. See how that works? You're fine first, absolves you of guilt. It's just soda, minimizes the issue. No big deal at all, reinforces the chill. And the invitation to grab another one is the ultimate chill move. It shows zero inconvenience.
That feels so welcoming, like they're not holding on to any annoyance.
Exactly. That's the core. Being chill is about showing you have a high tolerance for small inconveniences. You are, in a very common American phrase, low maintenance.
Low maintenance, like a car that doesn't need much repair.
Yes, but for people, a low maintenance friend doesn't get upset over small changes, doesn't need constant reassurance, is easy to plan with. Saying wherever you want to eat is fine with me is a low maintenance, chill thing to say. Now contrast that with laid back. Leo, describe a laid back person.
Someone who is always relaxed, never stressed, maybe like surfing, and wears flip-flops.
Good. Laid back describes a person's general personality. It's who they are. Chill often describes a moment or an attitude. You can be chill about something. For example, my boss was really chill about me working from home today. It means my boss had a relaxed, low-drama attitude about that specific thing.
So I could say, I'm usually a pretty anxious person, but I'm trying to be chill about this job interview.
Yes, that's a perfect advanced use. You're not claiming to be a laid-back person. You're saying you're adopting a chill attitude for this situation. Now let's talk about a huge cultural difference. In many cultures, and I'm thinking of our learners in Japan, Korea, parts of China, formality and clear respect are paramount. A sincere formal apology needs a sincere formal acceptance. I sincerely apologize. I sincerely accept your apology.
Right. It shows you're taking it seriously.
Exactly, and that's beautiful. But in mainstream American casual culture, an overly formal response to a small accident can create distance. It can make the situation feel heavier than it is. If I spill your water and you say, I deeply apologize, and I respond with, I fully and formally accept your apology, we're now in a business meeting, not a friendship.
That would be so weird at a barbecue.
Right? The chill response bridges that gap and brings the vibe back to casual and friendly. It's a social lubricant. Now, here's another landmine the word whatever.
I've heard that one. Teenagers say it.
They do, and it's the anti chill word if used wrong. Said with a shrug and a smile, whatever you want is chill. Said with a sigh, eye roll, and a low whatever. It means I'm annoyed and I'm done talking about this. It's the ultimate dismissal. Learners should use whatever with extreme caution. Say for options, I'm easy, you pick, I'm good with anything.
Noted. Whatever is dangerous territory.
Let's practice. I'll give you a scenario, you give me the chill response. Scenario 1. You lend me your favorite pen and I lose it. I say, Leo, I feel terrible. I lost your pen.
Ah, don't worry about it. It's just a pen. No big deal.
Excellent. You even added the A sound. Very natural. Scenario 2. We're deciding on a movie. I've been picking the last 3. I say, you choose the movie tonight. I don't mind.
Okay, cool. I'm easy though. So if you think of something, just say.
Perfect. I'm easy is a classic. Scenario 3. This is the test. I bump into you. You drop your phone. I gasp and say, oh no, I'm so sorry. Is it okay?
Okay, chill response. You're fine. It has a case. All good. See? Still works.
100%. You led with, you're fine to stop my panic, minimize the issue. It has a case. Scenario 3, used all good, and even provided proof. See, still works. Scenario 3, that sounds so frustrating. That is master level chill. You just successfully made me, the clumsy person, feel completely at ease. That's the goal.
This is fun. It's like learning a secret code.
It is the code. And this is why understanding chill matters. It's not about being cool or indifferent. It's about creating ease. Americans highly value social interactions that are smooth, low drama, and efficient. Being chill is a way of contributing to that. It makes people want to be around you.
So it's actually proactive kindness.
Exactly. It's considerate in a casual wrapper. Now, your challenge this week, listeners. I want you to use one chill phrase. When someone thanks you, try no problem or sure thing. When a coworker apologizes for a tiny delay, try you're good or no worries at all. Listen to the reaction. Does the conversation flow more smoothly?
And if you want these daily codes cracked for you, make sure you're subscribed to Speak Like a Native. Hit that bell so you don't miss an episode. It's the chill thing to do.
Haha, well played. So, today's single takeaway sentence to repeat. In American culture, being chill means using phrases like no big deal and you're fine to actively put others at ease and show your low maintenance. It's the secret sauce to natural, friendly connections.
Thanks, Maya. This was no big deal to learn at all.
Haha, see? You've got it. We'll see you next time on Speak Like a Native.